Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Autohotkey for Roblox. How can you fix that? How can you use it? So first of all, go to Google and search here Autohotkey. Just write down like this and press enter and you will see the first one, Autohotkey. Just open it and you just need to download it and install it inside your PC or laptop or whatever you're using. Just click on download and download the version, latest version. And once it is downloaded, as you can see, the setup is being downloaded. Open the file, click on install, and select the installation path or whatever. And as you can see, like it has now installed. So once you have installed it, you just need to click on new script, and that will ask you to for any path. Let's say I write down Roblox keys and just click on you can choose the path as well and just click on create, and that will basically open a file like this. So once you see this, just right click on it and click on open with, choose another app and just click on notepad and click on just once. And so once you open this with the notepad, so let me just increase the size so you can see that. After that, you just need to paste this exact same text into this section. You can just copy it or you can take a screenshot and you will get this text. You just need to paste exactly like that. And once you paste that text, after that you just need to replace your keys. Like for example, you want to replace W with let's say maybe G, and you want to replace S with uh, J. Whatever keys you want to select, you just can do that from here easily. Once you do that, just click on save, close it, and just click on open. And that might ask you for a newer version, as you can see. So just click on yes and allow the permission, and that will automatically install the latest version. And once it is running, so let it install completely. So after that, I will again reopen. As you can see, it is now installed. So now just double click on it, click on yes, and that will start running. As you can see, it has opened in the background. After that, you can just go inside the Roblox and replace your keys or and set however you want to set it. So that's simple and easy process of how you can do that.